Let's go. ET. Let's go terrestrial.
Hey guys, this is Ryan here down at Stretch's Speed Shop. We got the 67 Camaro here, just about wrapped up. Couple things we did the motor swap, Blueprint 355 engine. Motor's been dynoed, car's been dynoed at 450 horsepower. It's got a nice front drive serpentine kit that we installed. We got the Champion radiator, we got the dual spall fans. We also did a suspension, and we've done a disc brake conversion supplied by the customer from CPP. We've also done the Dakota digitals on this thing. This thing's just about wrapped up. Thing drives beautifully, and customers should be very happy with this product.